today we're travelling towards the red banks on Kangaroo Island, another gravel road. This is what most of the roads are like on Kangaroo Island. Hopefully we'll be there soon. I've just popped in a little map there to show where the red banks actually are on Kangaroo Island.
Hi everyone, we're at the red banks on Kangaroo Island. Flies are still sticky, but as you can see, it's really beautiful, peaceful, no one else down here. The sun is shining for us, so it's absolutely brilliant. Just makes all the red just pop in the banks. Oh, the flies. Hope you are having a great day.
This is my first attempt at droning, so hopefully it goes well. That's Nepean Bay, and across there you can see Kingscote, then out to sea, and then we come back to the red banks. And that's us there, cars parked, us trying to work out how to use this drone. You can definitely tell I'm a bit of a beginner drone flyer. There's not very smooth movements in it. And there's Dave walking along the beach. He doesn't like to be on camera. And that little gap there you see in front of you now is where Dave and I scrambled down to get onto the beach. And this here is an excellent example of all the layers of iron-rich clay, sand, and all the little quartz that are caught in it. And that was the red banks on Kangaroo Island. Hope you enjoyed. Very beautiful. Try to do a little shot there of us waving with the drone. Doesn't look as professional as others, but anyway, hopefully I'll get the hang of it. Thanks again for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and see you again soon. Bye.